How to change privacy settings in Meta AI. If you want to manage your privacy while using Meta AI, this video will show you how to change your privacy settings step by step. First, open the Meta AI app, or access Meta AI through Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or Messenger. Now, tap on your profile icon or the menu and open Settings. Next, select Data and Privacy or Privacy and Safety, depending on the platform you're using. Click on Manage Your Information. Here, you can manage settings such as your AI activity, shared information, personalized experiences, and other available privacy options. Make the changes based on your preference, then save them if required. Your updated privacy settings will now be applied to your Meta AI account. That's how you can change privacy settings in Meta AI. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.